everyone, so I'm here with one of our brand new gift sets with our lovely new gift wrap as well. It's not really a gift wrap, it's actually a gift sleeve, which is so lovely. These have taken us forever to design, forever to make, so I'm so excited to be showing them to you right now. This is mine, and I thought I would do a bit of an unboxing with you so I can show you what's inside. So you just take the gift sleeve off, and they're in one of our lovely boxes with a lovely message inside, the excuse you need to spend more time in your garden. And so the gift sets, you can choose from a solar plaque. So I went with the Mum's Garden. They all come with the white background in the gift set as well. So you can choose whichever design you want. If you don't want a Mum's Garden, there's My Garden, there's the Tree of Life, there's the cat. I think we all know by now that there's so many designs to choose from. Then you get to choose a small solar light. So I've gone with the little Robin. Most people go with this one because he's so cute. He's one of our popular designs and one of our best sellers. Quite understandably as well, he's my favourite. And then you choose a fence topper. So I have gone with the little butterfly, but there's also the robin, the fairy and squirrel, a little squirrel, but I went with the butterfly because I like it's cute. They are really sweet, especially if you've got too many lights in your garden. So you may have seen some of my other videos. I've got a lot of lights around my garden, so if you have too many, these are a sweet little addition that's not going to add extra lights to your garden as well. They look great at the top of a fence or a fence post, so I went with that one. And then it also comes with a little gift note card as well. So if you're ordering this, if you're going to have it sent to yourself before you give the gift out, it'll arrive plain, and you can just write a little lovely gift message. Happy Mother's Day, Mum, you're amazing, we love you, kind of thing. Or if you're going to send it to her directly, then at the checkout there's a box where you can pop what you want to write on it, and then we will print it off, and we can pop it on there and send it direct as well. So that's a lovely little addition. So I'm so excited that these are finally here, because honestly we've spent so long designing the gift wrap, making this a thing, and the hardest part was getting the website to work. So on the website you're going to be able to select which plaque you want, you're going to be able to select which small light you want and which fence topper, and it's going to build the bundle for you, and it's going to send it, and we are going to personally hand pack this for you as well. So I am so excited about these. I really hope you are too, and I really hope you guys are happy with what we've produced here. I mean, it's not the usual kind of gift wrap that we go for, but I love the red bow, and it's got so many different little silhouettes on there. So the tree, the butterfly, there's a bee, squirrel, a lot. So I think it's really sweet. So I'm really interested and excited to hear your guys, your feedback, and I really hope that you like them as much as I do.